with likes and dislikes, cast away. Baseless, he conquers this world. Him I call a Brahmin, an Arahant true. Dhammapad 418. If he has given up lust, he has also given up his disgust for the practice of meditation. This way, he is lustless. He has achieved total tranquility. He is devoid of the blemishes that soil the hand. He has conquered the whole world and is full of effort. I call that person a Brahmana, an Arahant. Abandon boredom and delight. Become quite cool and assetless. A hero, well world's conqueror. That one I call a Brahmin, Arahant true. Dhammapad 418. Hitva rotting, so oroting, so siti bhutong nirupodhing. Sabba lokabhibhung birong, tamahong brahmi brahmanong. Dhammapad 418.